I'm Jay Bartzius, a Senior Product Manager in the Connectivity Division here at Turck. I'm excited to introduce you our new family of Extremelife-60 cables. With the help of our internal cable design team, we've come up with a proprietary cable that can hold up extraordinarily well in cold applications. We know that when it's 30 or 40 below zero, the last thing you want to be doing is dealing with a broken cable. In fact, I could go on and on just how great these cables really are. But let's be honest, words are cheap, so let me show you just what these cables are capable of doing. Now, let's go try to destroy some cables. This is the cold bend test. These cables have been in this freezer at minus 60 degrees C for over 24 hours. Now we'll be doing the cold impact test. Now on to our flame test.